Hey dolls, welcome back to my channel. Let's jump right in. Here I'm just priming my eyes with a nude colored cream primer, and now I'm just going to start applying my eyebrows. The Bride of Frankenstein's eyebrows usually go like straight out. I wanted to create a more modern twist to it, so I did do them a little high and outward, but not as straight as hers. Now I'm just concealing underneath the eyebrows, and I'm just going to pat that with some translucent powder. Now applying a champagne highlight to my brow bone. Then I'm taking this orangey rusty color and applying that all in my crease and really building up that color, especially in the inner portion of my eye. Now taking a sienna color, I'm going to work that in and deepen up that crease even more and make sure to really blend it out. Taking that orange color again, I'm going to put that on my lower lash line and then going back in with that sienna color to darken it up. Now I'm just putting some black eyeliner on my waterline and my tight line and applying some antique gold color to my lid. Now I'm taking some dark brown and applying it to my lower lash line and my upper lash line as well to create a little smoky liner effects, and taking that dark brown and really building it up in the outer corner of my crease as well. I switched brushes because I wanted the color really to be packed on in that area, and then I'm going to go on and blend everything out and add some more of that sienna color to the bottom. Now I'm just putting on some eyelashes. You can use whatever eyelashes you want. And just sticking it on with some black duo glue and darkening up that lash line with a little bit of black shadow. Now I'm just going ahead with some black and making my eyebrows darker. I did go ahead and do my foundation routine off camera. Now I'm just putting on my blush and my highlighter. Now I'm just going to set all of that with some setting spray, and I really like the way this look came out. I would actually wear this for an everyday look. Now I'm just going to line my lips with some red lip liner and then apply some red lipstick and move on to the wounds of the face. I'm using an alcohol activated body paint. You can use water activated body paint, it doesn't really matter. So I'm just laying down a light red color just to start where the wounds will be and creating one on my forehead as well. I know in the movie she only has one going along her chin, but I just wanted to make it my own. So I'm going in with a darker red now just to add dimension to the inside of that wound, and then I'm going to take some bruise tone and stipple that on with a sponge that I tore out a whole bunch of pieces to cause that stippling effect. And now I'm going in with some yellow color to add a little bit of irritation. I'm a big irritation person when it comes to wounds. Now I'm going to take some brown eyeshadow and go along the edges of that wound, and then go in with some darker red and now some white to add even more dimension. After I put on that white, I'm going to go back in with some red just to go on top of that white to make it, dark and light in some places to really look like that wound is inside your skin and not just, laying on top. And now I'm just creating the stitches with some black paint. And then I'm going to go along the stitches with some brown eyeshadow just to look like the stitches are going inside the skin. So you just want to cause like a little bit of shadow on the outside of each stitch. To finish off the look, I'm just adding the white stripes on the side of my hair, and then the look is complete. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please give it a big fat thumbs up, and as always, thank you for watching.